Many Halloween costumes require masks or maybe makeup. Those can be a little scary for your skin, and we don't want you to have that drama, so we're here to help you out. Joining us right now is Dr. Sherry Ingraham with Advanced Dermatology with some skin-safe pointers. Good morning to you. I'm glad you're here. So all kinds of problems this time of year for our skin, but we can prevent it?
Yes, there's some simple things you can do to try and mitigate some of the side effects. And you really want to think about when you look for makeup for Halloween, think of the same things you think about when you're buying makeup for a normal day. You want non-comedogenic, which means non-acne forming. You want water-based, not oil-based. And you want things that are hypoallergenic. And what happens is a lot of the products that you would get at a costume store, for example, they have a lot of chemicals in them. And they have acrylates and other things people can be allergic to. So what I would do is if you have any of this stuff laying around you're going to use for Halloween this weekend, put a little bit on the inside of your arm or your child's arm, whoever's going to be using the product, and see if you get a reaction to it. It takes a few days, 3 or 4 days to develop a reaction, but you can do a little spot skin allergy test with it to see if it causes a problem. Or you can look for products that are more designed to be a little bit more gentle, hypoallergenic. This is a product from Michaels called Snazaroo. It is a hypoallergenic water-based paint. It's not going to give you that same thickness on the face, but you're also not going to get that pore clogging and possibly some of those allergic reactions as often with a more water-based hypoallergenic product.
All right, we're showing our viewers some ideas of what you should keep in mind when purchasing that Halloween makeup. Can you walk us through some of those, especially like reading that ingredient list?
Sure. So look for things that say hypoallergenic. Look for things that say water-based, not oil-based. Also, things that are illuminating really have a special ingredient in them, zinc, that interacts with something, copper, that makes them iridescent. Anything that is iridescent, you want to make sure it's FDA approved. So you want to buy it from a reputable source, from a store, not maybe from a kiosk or online. You want to be able to put that product on the inside of your arm for a few days before Halloween and see if you react. Anything that is luminescent, that kind of glows in the dark, has a higher degree of it possibly being toxic. You want to avoid those products around the eyes especially. Also, things you can do to prevent a reaction. If you'll cover your face the day that you're putting the product on your face to paint it with a good barrier lotion like La Roche-Posay or CeraVe, something from the grocery store or the drugstore, you can create a little barrier between your skin and the product that helps to prevent the product from soaking in and causing a reaction, but also enables you to take it off later. Then at the end of the night, when you go to get that makeup off your kids, no matter how tired they are and how much candy they ate, you want to get it off. You don't want to go to bed with that on. It'll be more allergenic and possibly cause more acne and clogged pores. So I recommend getting a good micellar water. I like this Garnier for waterproof makeup. Take that off with a towel, and then after you've got the makeup off, don't scrub. This will really allow it to kind of slide off the skin. Wash your face again with a good gentle moisturizer cleanser, again like La Roche-Posay or CeraVe, and then follow up with a barrier cream like CeraVe. CeraVe makes a great non-allergenic, non-comedogenic, non-acne forming moisturizer. If you do these steps before and after you use the product, you're less likely to have a reaction to the product.
All right, good to know that prevention goes a long way. And then quickly, if we're looking for masks, what is your suggestion? We're almost out of time, so just real quick.
So masks, if you're allergic to latex, be very careful. Buy high-quality theatrical masks. I have seen people have full-body allergic reactions to latex. Again, you may want to apply the mask a few days before Halloween to see if you have an allergic reaction to it because they are very high in latex. Be careful with those.
All right, good to know. All right, so good to see you. Thank you so much, and we'll be right back.